Looking for one of the most convenient locations in all of Spokane? Welcome to the wonderful community of Northwood Terrace.
Hi, I'm Ryan and this is my wife Danielle, and we are the Fowler Group. We're excited to get you into our newest listing at 8011 East Sommerset Court.
This gorgeous 4-bed, 3-bath home with 2-car garage is in pristine condition and offers great curb appeal. Located near the top of the hill, enjoy views out your front window of the Spokane Valley below. This home is a short distance to the Millwood neighborhood and an even shorter distance to the Centennial Trail and Spokane River. The open floor plan is in an ideal layout for entertainment, while all the living space abounds in natural light. Enjoy this well-maintained kitchen with beautiful cabinets, plenty of counter space, and stainless steel appliances. Notice the 3 well-sized bedrooms upstairs, including master suite, along with 1 additional full-size bath rounding out the space. Downstairs has 1 additional bedroom, 1 full bath, separate laundry room, and an oversized family room opening to the backyard. Enjoy walkout access to the beautifully landscaped backyard with multiple tiers up the hillside, along with fenced garden beds. Get ready to enjoy this backyard in all seasons. We hope you enjoyed this tour of our latest listing. Are you ready to get inside?
To schedule your private showing, give us a call or reach out to us on one of our social media platforms. And remember to share this video with your family and friends.